Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make OBS record mouse cursor. It's pretty easy. There are three things you need to make sure in order to capture your mouse cursor in OBS. First thing you need to make sure is to just go to File, select Settings, and right here after selecting General, you should be able to see the section for projectors. Here it is, and here you need to make sure that this should be unchecked, which is Hide Cursor over Projectors. Once you uncheck this, simply hit Apply and select OK. After you do that, then the next thing you need to make sure is that you should be using display capture instead of window capture. Like if you are using this one, window capture, then you need to switch to display capture. And after you switch to display capture, select that, select setting, and right here you need to check this option, capture cursor. After you check this, select OK, and now you're good to go. You can simply start recording and you will see that the OBS is recording your cursor as well. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can make OBS record mouse cursor. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.